Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another haul to share with you. I went to the Monday Goodwill sale like I do every single week, and I have two bags this time to share with you guys, mostly clothing. I think I only found one pair of shoes. I did get there right at opening. In fact, I even lined up. Usually I don't get there in time to line up before they open the doors, but they opened like a couple minutes late. So I got out of my car, got in line, and yeah, I went straight for shoes like I usually do, but there were like four other people shopping the shoes and I just didn't get good luck. So I only got one pair. I went through almost every single aisle of women's clothing. I didn't do men's clothing. I need to start doing the men's clothing. But my store is just so big that I get tired after like 2 hours. I was there for like 2 hours and 20 minutes this time. And that's just like my max. Once I hit that point, I'm tired, I'm hungry. I usually am thirsty at that point, and I'm just like, I gotta get out of here. So, let's jump into the haul. The first thing I found, I was so excited about these. I found two pairs of these Judy Blue plus size jeans. I've never found Judy Blue in a plus size. They're 22W. This one is a skinny fit, and as you can see, it's like a dark wash, and they're super cute. Yeah, like I've mentioned before, skinny jeans, I'm a bit particular about which ones I will pick up, but if it's a good brand, and especially when it's a plus size, I will still grab them. So I did pay $2 for those. Here is the other pair of Judy Blue. Let me just check if they're the same. These ones are 24W and also the skinny fit. So probably donated from the same person. They're the same exact style, just in two different sizes. All right, let's see what else. This was a couple days ago. Today's Wednesday now, so I don't even remember everything. So this is kind of fun. This is a Talbot sweater in a 1X. Okay, so I definitely only bought this because it is plus size and it's red. Everything red is just flying off the shelves right now. I need to get this listed right away. I'm going to prioritize this because Christmas, today's the 11th. It's only a couple weeks away. So just this morning I shipped off a Christmas sweater. That kind of stuff is flying off the shelves right now, but it won't be much longer. Just a few more days left really for people to be able to get that stuff in time for the holidays. But I mean, you could wear this one year round for sure. It doesn't have like a tree on it or anything. It's just red, but definitely want to set that aside because I need to get that listed right away. More red, actually. This is Torrid size 1. This is super cute. One is a 1X in Torrid, by the way. It's very boho. It has these really cute balloon eyelet sleeves. Torrid's another brand that I'm super picky in, but this is a really good size. The 1X always sells pretty good for me. It was only $2, and I really liked the style and color on that one. This is more Torrid. This is the same size, a 1X. This is very boho. It's embroidered with this paisley pattern. I don't know if you can see that very good because it's white on white. But very, very cute. This could be worn year round. This very like lightweight. Let me check the materials. It's actually 100% cotton, which is really good for Torrid. Natural fibers do better. I mean, cotton's not the most popular fibers, but it's better than like polyester or something. This is an Eileen Fisher top. It's a size medium and it's 100% silk, and it's just a short sleeve V-neck pop over blouse, definitely more oversized also. This is super cute. This is Ann Taylor size medium, and it's this chunky knit cardigan that has like the trim, the blue trim details. This is very like, you know, Chanel vibes, but of course I'm not gonna put that in the title because it's not, but very preppy, kind of a blazer type sweater. Oh, I was so excited to find this. This is my first time finding this brand, and I did pay up for this. So far, everything else I've showed you, I only paid $2 a piece for, but this is Brunello. How do you say that? I'll show it to you and I'll try to pronounce it. Cucinelli. It's 100% cashmere, and it's a long line cardigan, and then it has this like buckle right here. Anyways, I did pay up for it, but it was only marked at $7.99. Did I say what size it is? Oh shoot, it might not have a size. Let's see if it's on the other tag. Oh, yes, it is. Great. It's a size large. So good size too. I'm very excited about that piece. All right, next, this is a Prana cardigan. It's a size extra small, and I only bought this because it was $2. I would not have paid up for this. But it is a really good marled knit long line cardigan. There's a lot of keywords I can use for this, and it's wool as well. So that is super cute. This is a sweater from Rachel Zoe. I found a bunch of Rachel Zoe. Rachel Zoe does okay for me. I don't expect to get a lot. It's very much like a bread and butter brand for me. And this one is a size extra small. I just liked the style. I'm very like style based when I pick up this brand. And also it has to be $2. I won't pay more than $2 for it. So I only expect to get like 20 to 25 for that, but I did think it was cute. This is another piece I paid up for. So the brand is Quince, which is, it's not super expensive retail, but it does have a good following. So the resale is really good on it. Everything I've ever bought from this sells really fast. But I don't expect a lot of money for it. So I couldn't pay up too much, but it was only marked at $9.99 and it's brand new with tags. So this is another thing I'm going to prioritize listing right away because this is definitely like the gifting season right now. So if someone's looking for a Christmas present, new with tag stuff, I prioritize around this time of year. So I'm going to set that aside to get that listed right away. But anyways, yeah, this brand, if you find it, definitely look up comps, but it can sell really, really well. Here's another item that I just paid $2 for. It's Victor Costa. It's a size extra small. It is 100% silk and it has these really cool sequins all over it. It's definitely not my style, but this brand actually, I looked up comps and it can sell for quite a bit. So I don't know on this specific piece, but since it was only $2 and it's a new to me brand, I definitely figured it was worth picking up. And that way I can do a little bit more research and use it as a learning experience, but also the brand in general had pretty decent comps. This is Brooks Brothers. I paid up for this as well, but it was only marked at $5.99, which is why I bought it. It's a size medium and it's a super cute little plaid preppy cardigan. Everything, whenever I use the keywords academia and preppy in a title, I feel like it is flying off the shelves right now. I feel like that's a very popular aesthetic currently, and Brooks Brothers is a very good brand in general. Not all pieces sell well, so definitely look up comps, like I said, but for the right style and price, I will pick it up. This is more Torrid. I paid $2 for this as well. I won't pay more than $2 for a Torrid piece. This is just a really cute coral, like sheer lace sleeve. Anyways, this is adorable, and I'm not going to prioritize listing that because it's definitely more spring summer, but I wasn't going to leave it behind for $2. This I basically picked up based on style. It's a really cute knit, like puff sleeve, short sleeve sweater. The brand is Ellie Tahari, which is okay. It's not amazing. Resell is not great on this brand, but the style was so cute. I couldn't leave it behind, and it was only $2. Also looks like it was never worn. It's in excellent condition. Oh, I bought this for my kids. Let me set that aside. Is there something else in here? No. Okay. I always look through the art stuff because this kind of stuff can be really expensive, but this pack was only $4.99 and it has some stuff I needed. So the Amelia needed some new glue. It's got some pens, which I can always use more pens in my office. And it has some push pins in here, which I needed more push pins. So for $5, I thought, yeah, that's a good deal. I will get that. Okay, another sweater. This is a vintage sweater. There's the brand. Brand doesn't really matter. It is a size large and it is acrylic, but it's so cute. Look how cute this is. It's a little popover blouse, kind of a V-neck, and it has a structured collar, these pockets on the front, and I love that little white contrast knit on there. So cute. It also has like felt. Is that felt? No, it's corduroy. A little corduroy accent right there and on the shoulders too. I just thought that was very adorable. And vintage is my #1 selling category. I've been selling so much vintage lately. It's just flying off the shelf. So love that. Here is the shoes that I found. It's the only pair I found. They are a nice black velvet platform slip-on by the brand Vince. And I paid $2 for those. What size are these? Vince shoes surprisingly do not sell that great. You would think because it's such a good brand that it does, but they don't sell that good. So I only buy them when they're like this, look like they're brand new, never worn. And also if the price is really low, but I don't see a size on these. Oh, here it is. US size 6. I wish those were my size. I would totally keep them. Okay, it looks like I got some hard goods. I don't remember what these are. Oh, this is from me. By the way, I always ask them now to wrap the breakables. I used to have them just put it in the clothing because I buy so much clothing and hardly any hard goods. And I'm like, oh, just put them in with the clothing. It'll be fine. But now I have them wrap it because I can reuse these. So I use those for shipping. It saves me a little bit of money if I do that. I bought this for myself because I had another travel mug and I accidentally broke it and shattered it. And I needed a new one. This one was only $2 because blue tag was the sale tag. And what is the, oh, I know what this is. This is for resale. Okay, so this is the cutest little figurine doll. It's from the brand Joseph Internationals. I did a quick comp search in the store. I should have done a more detailed one because these are actually little birthday dolls. So they made one for every month. This is the month of August. And they actually are kind of oversaturated. So even though I think I can still sell it for like $20, I might end up sitting on it for a while. That's okay though. I do have plenty of room in my hard goods storage right now, so not a big deal, but I might have left this behind. I only paid $2 for it. It was on sale. By the way, in case you're wondering, my total for the day was $101.60, and I did buy myself a bottle of water while I was there too because I forgot to bring my water. This is Pilcrow and the letterpress. It is a size medium, but it's super oversized. Just like a pull over sweater in a lavender purple, and that was $2. This is another new at tags. I need to prioritize listing this. Oh, also a super good brand. This is Cynthia Steffi, size small. It's brand new at tags, and it's a really cute blouse with these sheer floral sleeves. There we go. Okay. I got a lot of stuff in my prioritized listing pile here. I need to get some photographs done today. A more Torrid. This is a size 3X, which is my favorite size for Torrid. And it's a super cute hot pink fit and flare striped dress. And then on the back, it's got like this twisty design. Isn't that adorable? I really like that. Alrighty. This is... oh, this is Ming Wang. I've only found this brand one other time and it sold super fast, so I'm hoping to have the same experience here. Size medium. I only paid $2 for this. And this is so cute. It's just this knit striped sweater, and then it has like the fringe at the bottom there. I thought that was adorable. Oh, another red sweater. Got to get this listed right away. This is just Banana Republic, and it is a size large. Just a knit crew neck sweater, pretty basic. I think I only bought that because it's red, and like I said, red has been selling like crazy, so I was looking for red. Oh my gosh, this is so great. This is a vintage sweater. Look at the tag. I'm guessing this is from the 90s. Really cool sweater. Ultra Sweats it's called, size large, but look at the print on it. So it's a size large, and it has this really cool embroidery of a carousel horse. Just thought that was really, really cool. So I'll put that in the prioritized pile as well, because I don't know why, but it feels very holiday themed to me. Looks like we got a blazer jacket. This is from the brand Talbot's, size 8, and it's just a classic black blazer. I paid $2 for that as well. It's in excellent condition. A sweater. This is the brand Vera Moda, size extra large. So soft. This is so soft. I'm tempted to keep this. It's kind of like a bluish gray color. I'm trying to see what fabric it is because it is extra soft. These labels are hard to read sometimes with all the different languages. It's a polyester, elastane, and nylon blend. It says 42% polyester, 3% elastane, and 3% nylon. So what's the rest of it? It doesn't say. Oh, and then 52% recycled polyester. Interesting. I don't know why they broke it down like that. Whatever. I just thought it was really cute. It's very like oversized, very stretchy, and so soft. So I am kind of tempted to keep that. I'll look up comps. If it doesn't have good comps, I will just keep it. What is this? This is beautiful. Oh, this is more Brooks Brothers. This is a Brooks Brothers dress in a size medium, and it's so pretty, and you can feel the quality on these pieces. It just feels very well made. Also, I only paid $2 for this. Just got a sale on eBay. That's exciting. I just finished shipping, you guys. I shipped out like 30 orders this morning. It's been a crazy day with sales, which is amazing. We love that. This is Classiques and Tier. This is sold at it's like the house brand for Macy's, I think. Size medium. I really liked the color on this. It's like a mustard yellow trench coat, and it's, you know, super long. So cute. I really, really like this. I wish it was my size. I might even try it on and see if I can make it work. I usually wear a large, so it would be just a little small maybe, but I'll try it. This is Soft Surroundings, and it is a size large, and it's velvet. I love selling velvet because it's selling really quickly right now. It's kind of a reddish burgundy color, button down, kind of tunic length, I would say. I'm going to prioritize the listing that one. I love the fabric on this. So this is just J. Crew, which I'm very picky with J. Crew and Banana Republic, but I bought this one because I like the print. It's size 4, and it's a floral, probably like knee length, maybe a little longer. Has the little ruffle right there, a little peplum style, and I paid $2 for that. Here's another Rachel Zoe piece. This one, again, brand new with tags, and it's a size extra small. I paid $2 for it. It's got this really fun print on it, and it's a long sleeve. Get that listed right away. This is, what are you? Madewell. Madewell size extra small / small. Just a black and white tweed cardigan. Kind of a crop length, or I would call it more of like a boxy fit. Really cute. All right, we got a pair of denim. This is a pair of Everlane jeans in a size 10 regular, and they're called the Curvy High Rise Skinny Jean in a black, and I paid $2 for those. Oh, this is a 2-piece set. This is a 2-piece set. Oh, I just got another sale. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, sales are booming, guys. This is Renee Lazard. I tried to look it up. This is another one that I am calling a learning experience because I tried to look it up and I didn't find a lot of information on it. But this is a 2-piece set. It's got the blazer and then the skirt. It feels very well made. Here we go. And it is a size 36. So European sizing, I'll have to look up what, oh, sorry, 38. I'll have to look up what that translates to. It was made in Germany. And here's the brand in case I didn't show you. Renee Lazard. Anyway, I paid $2 for the set. So basically $1 up per item. So definitely worth picking up and learning more about. And hopefully I can make a decent profit on those. All right, the very last thing, you guys, cute pair of shorts. The brand is just Pistola, but I just thought they were adorable. Little pair of denim cutoff shorts, and they are zip fly, and they are size 24. I paid $2 for those. Again, not going to prioritize listing. I do list everything year round because people go on vacation. Like I just sold a bikini top this morning. Things sell year round. But I don't prioritize it. I'll prioritize things that are more likely to sell right now, like the new with tags items, things that are red, things that are holiday themed. I'm going to be listing first. And then once I get through those, then I'll start listing some of the rest of it. That's kind of how I do things. But I definitely list things year round. I'm not against doing that whatsoever. So anyways, that is my whole haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.